Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, how do you stay updated with the latest trends in the PPC space? So now the thing is that being the Google certified partner, Google has given us a team wherein we normally have like regular meetings with them in almost like once a month, and in that meeting they will explain us about the new things that we can test, that is the things that are still in beta stage. Also they will also give us an update on the latest trends and the new things that Google will be rolling out in the coming months. So that's how we have been able to get the beta stage, and then we will be able to test out those new features before they are being rolled out. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime and I will be able to get back to you as soon as I can.